Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to use Wave accounting software. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. Wave is actually an accounting software and it's used for bookkeeping, for your payrolls, for your income statement, your sales, and everything related to the financial aspects of a business. So if you own a business, if you run a business and you have to take care of the financial aspects of your business, then Wave is the best thing that you can use and take advantage from. So when you go to this website, waveapps.com, you can click on sign up or sign in depending if you're first time coming here and first time using it, then you have to sign up. But if you are already using it, then also if you have an account, then you can click sign in. So that depends on either you're a first time user or you've been here or you've made an account on Wave before. I'll click sign up, and when you sign up, you can sign up with your email account, and when you do that, you'll reach here. So you can fill this up. Let me just fill this up. So when you fill in the first information about yourself and your company, this is where you're going to land. And let me just fill this as well. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. Okay, so the last thing that you have to do is you have to select one of them. You can either get paid fast with invoices, organize your books, track expenses on the go, automate bookkeeping. Let's just go with this. All right, let's continue with the starter pack. So this will be the home page where you land after logging in and filling all those answers. So either you can do professional invoicing or better bookkeeping or reliable payroll. Let me just go with reliable payroll first. Payroll is actually for your employees. And once when you reach here, you can see that on the left side, there is this payroll tab, and below this payroll tab, there are several options: run payroll, employees, timesheets, payroll transaction, tax forms. So you have to fill these up. You have to tweak these up. If there is any text that is deducted from the payroll, you have to add it. You have to add the text forms as well, and you have to check the payroll transactions. You can also do timesheets for the payroll, and for those employees that work on timesheet, through timesheets you can take out their payroll, and you have to add employees as well. This is the first thing that you need to do, and after adding all these, then you can come to run payroll, and you can run use this feature, run payroll, to generate a payroll, and through that you will be able to run your payroll. So this is as simple as it is. You can see right here that you have to add an employee, you have to add your business, you have to add your pay schedule, you have to add your company signatory, all these things. And when you are done with all these things, you can click on preview payroll, and then you can select run payroll, and then you'll be good to go. I mean, it's as simple as it is. And if we come here, you can see there's this option of banking as well. I'll discuss this later on. And let's go back here on the Launchpad, and here you can see sales and payment. This is the most important thing because this is, I would say, the main part of this Wave. But before talking about sales and payment, I would love to tell you about something else, that is your business. I mean, it's very important that you have written each and everything about your business, because when you fill all the information about your business, then everything about your business is going to come here on this homepage. It's more like an infographic homepage where you'll see the analytics of your business and how it's performing and stuff like that. So let's go back here. And you can see estimates. Estimates are your sales estimates, and you can add your estimate, and you can add your forecast, and also you can make your invoice through these estimates. So you can add an estimate and you can just move on, and you'll be good to go. And if you come here to invoices, you can also add an invoice. If you have done a sale, if you've done a purchase, you can create an invoice. Let me just show you how to do it. It will be easier for you. So you can add your customer, your invoice number, and everything. And here you can add an item for your invoice, because items are important. Without an item, you can't create an invoice. So let me just add something here: SUV rental car. As my company name is Bohemian Tours and it is a travel company located in Pakistan, so I give rented cars to people. So rented an SUV for a client, for the client, because this invoice will be sent to the client as well. Yeah, one SUV, and the total amount for the SUV was $60. So I can also add text if I want, like value added text, and the text rate is like 10%, I would say. And this is optional. Let's just click this. And here you go. You can add text as well. You can add one text or more than one text. It depends on you. And this is the invoice. Now, if I click on save and continue, I have to add the customer information and stuff like that. So you can add it yourself. Right now, I don't have a customer. So this was just done to show you how you can actually do it. So this is how you do. This is how you create an invoice. And you can also create your payment setup and then recurring invoices. You can check the recurring invoices. Payment setup is actually very important, because through payment setups, you're gonna let the clients know how they can pay. Either they can pay on cash on spot, or they can pay online beforehand. So it's very important to add a payment setup, because obviously in a business there should be a fixed payment setup. So if you come here, you can see there are several options here as well, and one of them is a bill. Now sometimes it happens that I know you are running a business and you have clients, but businesses have vendors too, from where they receive things that they use in their business. So a bill is something very important if you buy something from another vendor. For example, let me just add a bill and I'll tell you how you can do it. You can add a vendor, and my vendor was, let's just say that I installed an LCD in one of my cars. So the name is New LCDs Incorporation, and email is not necessary, and I've just added this vendor. So this vendor is from where I bought the LCD for my vehicle. Yeah, I was paid in US dollars, and you can add a bill number if you want, and you can write a note, and you can, write the bill date. And if the bill is to be paid in the future, I know running a business, you might take things on credit. So if the bill is to be paid for the future, you can add a due date for the bill as well. So yeah, that's how you do it. An item, yeah, let me just do it. LCD for SUV, expense category. No, it's a service. Let me just see if there is anything relevant. Small tools and equipment, vehicle fuel, vehicle repairs and maintenance. Yes, and I was charged like $50 for that LCD. A new LCD for my car, SUV. Yeah, so I was charged 50, and I was not there was no tax incurred on the amount. So that's how you create a bill. So this bill section is for your vendors, from where you buy things, and the invoice is for your customers. And payrolls, I also told you how to add a payroll and how to add employees. First add employees, and then fix their timesheets, and from timesheets calculate the payroll and then pay them. Add taxes if you want. Banking is for the connected accounts. If you have any bank account, you should connect it. How you want the payment procedure. Accounting, I would say not that important right here, but you can also go visit these not so important places, and you can tweak the settings, and you can see what happens. Receipts are the receipts that you get in the business. Either it's from a vendor or it's from a client. That's up to you. So these were the important things that you must know for this, for using this website, this software. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.